本当?
When you make a big bowl of pasta but feel like something is missing, why don't you add quick and easy side dishes to elevate your meal? I picked my favorite 5 side dishes and had my family judge at the end.
分数やってんだっけまだ人参も入ってるし飛んでて飛んでる
Carrots are high in beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A. It helps us to maintain healthy skin and immune system. This is the type of recipe, the longer it sits, the better the taste will be. So make a batch on the weekend and enjoy throughout the week. I especially love to add it to my bento.
おすごいねあ、美味しそうこれ
人参の味は
人参はね、ちょっともうね、今日ミスったからね、塩の量をね
まあ美味しい
本当5歳さんはあ、ダメか5歳さんダメだった
うまいねそれと同じやん
は白味噌こうやって
This shirae is a very traditional dish which my great-grandma was making when I was little. I love this shirae because this tofu dressing is very versatile. I happen to have carrots and green beans this time, but you can change up the vegetable depending on what's in season. In winter, you can opt for broccoli and spinach. In summer, red bell pepper would be a great option. Exact measurement is on my vegan cookbook. The link is in the description box. This is my go-to snack. We all have a moment after dinner at 9 p.m. For my case, my kids finally went to bed and about to start me time. When I feel like munching on something salty, I eat this one. It can be kept in the fridge for 4 days. You can use less salt if you want to reduce the sodium intake.
Yeah.
ダメ
うまい
どう ?7 歳7歳どう普通
別にっていう感じ
別にって感じ
By the way, if you want to start Japanese cooking but feels a little bit overwhelming, we are here to support you. We have a course where you can learn the basic knowledge of Japanese cooking. The aim of this course is to build a sustainable healthy eating habits by cooking traditional Japanese food at home. There are students literally starting from zero where they don't know anything about the Japanese cooking, and after 3 months, they are now cooking Japanese food every day, including meal prepping. Some students lose some weight or found a way to reduce wasting. You can get the weekly meal plans and share your creations and questions with me and with like-minded students from all over the world. If you are interested, check out the link in the description box. We are waiting for you to join.
This is something I make all the time when I'm in a time crunch. Shio kombu is basically a salted kombu. It's salty, savory, and packed with umami flavor. You can add it to the soup, salad, or even into pasta. My kids like to cherry tomatoes, so I opt for this time, but feel free to change up the vegetable to your liking. お、どう ?7 歳、7歳くん。辛くないんだ。まだあるから。お、これは大人気。すっごい意外。
辛っ。
辛いよ、かよあれだもん、それ。
辛っ。初めから辛いと言いなさい。
This requires only 4 ingredients, which is green beans, peanut butter, and your choice of sweetener and soy sauce. Even when I'm exhausted after a long day, I can still whip up this one, no problem. Hi guys! Now I'm waiting for my kids to come back. My husband is picking up the kids now, but I don't have much hope for these things because there's a lot of vegetable that they don't like. Let's see how it goes.
どれが好きだと思う？
どれかな？そうだね、枝豆かな。
枝豆と？
枝豆とインゲン。あ、そう。ママもね、その2つがね、
そうだ。
食べるかなと思った。あとこれも好きなんじゃない？これも白あえも。そんなに。
多分そんなに。
今日はカレーとサイドディッシュ5種。
もううんちょで。
5位。はい。5位は。それは5位？辛いから？辛くなかったら好きだった？
うん、好き。
次は
4位は。次
そうだ。ああ、へえ、これ好きだと思った。意外とランキングが低いやつよ。はい。
よし、3位は。
インゲン。あ、そうなんだ。
2位は。
いい意味で裏切ってくるね。2位は
枝豆かな。
2位が枝豆？
1位が人参。
本気で？ママの予想は1位よ、最下位だと思ってたこれが。5歳はどうだ？はい。
1位は。
1位は
辛いのとこれ。
両方。3位は1個選んでよ。3位人参。
4位は枝豆。
枝豆。5位は豆腐。ちょっと本当に意外なランキングになった。
パパランキング。
全部1位いただきます。
はい。